How to get unbanned from Grindr. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to get unbanned from Grindr. So in order to get unbanned from Grindr, what you have to do is, first of all, you could submit a request. For that, go to the Grindr's website and find the contact page. Open up a browser and type in Grindr contact. And next, what you have to do is you just have to press on www.grindr.com/contact. Over here, you just have to click on the help send button located right at the bottom. You can state about the issue, why your account has been banned and all that. And if you have any documents or any photos, whatever, you could just upload that as well. Don't hear back from the Grindr, you can reach out through Twitter, Facebook, or any of these platforms. Likewise, you should keep trying. If your request isn't immediately successful, you should keep on going. If you are tired about it, then you can start creating your new account and begin with that procedure. So that is basically how you can get unbanned from Grindr. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.